Mask Kit is an augmented reality tool that let the customers try out the masks with camera function on their computer or phone. The app leverages the machine learning program and facial recognition algorithm to identify the dimension of the face and then overlay the mask on the face with precision. The seamless integration of this app with the Shopify store makes it easy for the business to utilize this functionality. As an innovative marketing technology, augmented reality tools can help local businesses enhance customer experience, boost conversion rate, and reduce product returns. Here is a quick demo on how the app works. It's very simple. You start by clicking on the product and click on the Try On button. Let this run for a few seconds. The ending result is a mask overlay on your photo. We envision this technology to expand for usage on other products such as cosmetics, jewelry, and clothing. This is the end of the demonstration. Thank you for your time.